Today is a beautiful day because we are going to make loads of cookies. These cookies turned out soft and chewy just the way I like them. Plus, it's a simple one bowl recipe. There is no need for further introduction because the full breakdown of the recipe is in the description box below. I am sure you are ready to dive in as I am. So let's get started with our peanut butter and chocolate oatmeal cookies, which takes only 15 minutes to make from start to finish and use just 7 ingredients with no added sugar, oil or flour. Now this recipe calls for a quick oats, but if like me you only have regular oats, you can always make your own by throwing them into a food processor and blend until coarsely chopped. Transfer it into a bowl. At this point, you can add roasted coconut flakes, a peanut butter. This one is purely homemade, so it's little granulated and hard. And few cranberries. Now you're just gonna want to take 2 bananas to another bowl and mash until you achieve rather fluid consistency. Then you add the vanilla extract. Give a good mix. And now, combine all ingredients with adding chopped dark chocolate at the end and mix it all together. Stirring until it's all well combined, the mixture should create about 10 to 12 cookies. So let's start putting it on a butter paper. Take a scoop or first roll it into a ball and then gently press it down to a cookie shape. You don't need to leave so much room between these cookies because they won't spread. Bake it in oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes until the tops turn golden. In my opinion, these cookies can hardly be called dessert in the conventional sense, and that they are just too wholesome to make for a wonderful snack that anyone will enjoy, kids or adults alike. Remove it from the oven and allow it to cool for a couple of minutes before you transfer it to a cooling rack to cool down completely. This is just to show you how soft and chewy the cookies are, and they taste so good. You won't even believe that they are so healthy too. Hope you will give a try to this coolest recipe. Do like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until next time, happy cooking!